if you look at the total spending on language education, um, actually more than half of it is learning English, uh, and then every other language combined is the other half.
Yes.
And so that gives you a sense of the scale. And so uh, yeah, I think we're going to probably stay quite focused on learning English. I foresee that we'll support lots of languages in the future, but it's just not it's not a huge priority for us right now because we have such a big task ahead of us solving English education. Really, like building a product, building a company like this, you just want to like find a problem and then solve it, and uh, and then figure out whether you're actually doing a good job solving that problem or not. And like every other aspect of a company is just sort of like will just kind of follow automatically. But it's easy, I think, to get sucked into all of the peripheral things. And what you want to do is really like say like start out very lean, start out very simple, and say like, hey, I'm just going to build this thing that solves the problem, and then I'm going to go find some customers to prove that I'm actually like solving a real problem. And so YC's motto is make something people want. It's a very simple thing, and so I think that like sort of captures what you want to do as an entrepreneur, and like forget about everything else. Just do that one thing. Make something that people want. Like build something that solves a problem for someone. And everything else about your company will, if you're really solving a problem that's important to people, then everything else will just sort of follow from that.